Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is January 31st, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to these charts and see what we see. And boom, I'm going to maximize this and resize this. I saw something. I saw a bearish looking pattern and all. But let's go ahead and take a quick look at this quarterly chart. This quarterly chart was still a big, nice big green candle, still above the yearly the yearly pivot. You know, above pivot, stay above pivot. So we're still looking good on that. We haven't made a new high yet, but that's okay. We haven't made a new low yet, you know, below the previous low. So we're still looking good. Let's go ahead and go. Went the wrong direction. Go ahead and go down here to this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, what I see here, we have come down and kissed pivot, but kissed the 9-10 moving average, but we're a long ways off that. On this quarterly thing, we came up and crossed and R1, and we still closed again right here near this R1. So we are still looking very bullish. The only thing is we are again fighting this previous month high right here, a previous month sell-off and trying to get above that. That's what I see here. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, and zoom, and a little bit right here. Again, we're getting just like on this picture, like I saw on one of the other pictures. We're beginning where we're getting this double top. Got a top here and a top here, and then we ended up having some selling pressure. You know, so again, that supply over here is still they're not done yet. You know, and we're seeing that here actually on this weekly picture, but we still are above the 50 moving average, so we're good. These are monthly pivots. Look like come next month we will be opening above, you know, that central pivot. So again, above pivot, stay above pivot, and all is kind of like what I'll be looking for. And maybe next month we might end up breaking these highs, and all. That's what I see, and all. But let's go ahead and go down to this daily noise and wrap this on up. Daily noise. You can see clearly. I'm gonna just zoom in just like this. You can see clearly now what's happening up here at all. This was that first high and the big sell-off at all. Right now we have formed a bearish engulfing at this double top. And will we get a sell-off? That's the thing you need to be mindful of, and trade accordingly. Pay attention to your trading plans, your trading strategies, and all, and you know, just be ready. And again, just like on this picture, like on one of the other pictures, this thing can end up coming all the way down here and want to fill this gap that's down here or something, because that's a pretty good big gap that was left down here. So there might be orders down there that they're trying to chase, and all. But that's what I see, and all. And that's pretty much all I have to share today. Hope. Thing is, let me just zoom in just a little bit, because again, it's I'm gonna just zoom in just like that. That makes it a whole lot clearer, where you can see this bearish engulfing that's happening right now on this daily picture. These two candles right here. The thing is, to get confirmation that it's gonna head to the downside, we need to break this low here. And all, that's the way some of us look at it. If it ends up failing, we'll break that high there. And with us opening right near the weekly pivot next week, we should see right away which direction this thing is going to want to go. Is it going to end up going lower, or is it going to reverse and bounce off this pivot and end up going higher? But we're going to still look like we're going to still get stuck, you know, maybe in a range here, because we may not want to break this R1 level. So that's pretty much it. That's all I really want to share. Hope this is being helpful and all, and it's kind of just what I see, my opinion, and no more than that and all. But I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye. This is Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Bye.